Hi everyone, in this video, we will show exactly how to add an Afterpay to PayPal. To add Afterpay to your PayPal account, first of all, open up your PayPal account. So once you get into your account, click on the Finance option from the menu bar. Then choose the Bank and Cards option under the Wallet options. After that, scroll down a bit and click here on Link a new card. To link a card, you need to enter a card number. Then, enter the card type and its expiration date, its security code and billing address. Once you add all of the information successfully, click on the Link Card button. Then you will successfully add your Afterpay card or whatever the card you want to add into your PayPal account. By following these steps, you can use both Afterpay and PayPal to make your online purchases. Keep in mind that the availability of Afterpay may vary by region and retailer, and it's essential to check with the specific online store to confirm the payment options they accept.